will be in 2030 and beyond. So the objective of the survey was simple. So first of all, we wanted to capture public perspectives, especially from youth, on Pakistan's pressing development challenges. Then we wanted to sort of compare these insights with the provincial and federal level consultations, whether how aligned they are, how divorced they are, and thirdly, to seek diverse opinions to ensure representation across demographics and regions. Because perhaps the conversations that we have in these high-level settings and rooms are not reflective of the conversations that are taking place amongst the public, or perhaps they are. This came with a few limitations, of course. We had a period of 3 weeks to sort of figure out and disseminate the survey and get feedback. So we had limited time. The sample size was only 150 responses, so this may not represent the entire cross-section of Pakistan. There were also demographic limitations, so the survey and its results may be reflective of certain regions and demographics more than others, and obviously medium limitations. This survey was disseminated digitally, and secondly through our networks with universities and colleges, but it might have excluded people who lack access to the internet. But with these limitations, I am pleased to share with you the results of the survey. So the demographic breakdown of the respondents is such. First of all, regionally, we received feedback from Balochistan most overwhelmingly. So 27.3% of the respondents come from Balochistan, 18.7% from Punjab, 18% from KP, 17% from Sindh, and 16% from the federal area. Excluding Balochistan, largely an equal distribution of geographies, but largely from Balochistan, these responses were received. Age-wise, an overwhelming 63.3% of the respondents were between the age group of 25 to 45, 15.3% from between 45 to 65, and 20.7% were between the ages of 18 and 24. In terms of gender, we did a little better than the national average of people that have access to the internet. So nationally, 26% females have access to social media, whereas 74% have access to, males have access to social media. So we had 38.7% female respondents and 61.3% male respondents. We asked 3 simple questions from the survey, so we chose questions that were most relevant to the general public. The first question was, what major and unforeseen development challenges has Pakistan faced over the past 4 years? Future-looking question was that, looking ahead to 2030 and beyond, what major development challenges will Pakistan likely face? And then what role can UNDP play to help Pakistan with these future challenges? In terms of what major and unforeseen development challenges Pakistan has faced over the past 4 years, the top 4 answers were political instability, climate change and disaster risk management, economic instability, and inequitable rule of law. And there were several other categories that are listed below, but this